Yo, my homies, you ready to color? Well, hell yeah, I'm always ready to color. Let's do this. Alright guys, I should probably say that a bell is going to ring, and it's going to be a fire drill. So don't panic if it comes on, alright? It might come on anytime, alright? Anytime I have a fire alarm. Don't worry, we're not scared of any fire drill. Ah! Fire drill! Ah! Fire drill! Guys, calm down. Is this a drill? Fire drill! Fire drill! Is it over yet? No. Uh-oh. Fire drill! Oh, what was it? Why are you beating me up? I'm not the fire. Wait, you're the fire? No, I'm not. Ah! Fire in the building! Ah! Oh. I think he calmed down. No, sir, he did not come down. Oh my god, what the hell is that? Oh, this is what I think of you, fire! Oh, what is he gonna fight me with? A laser? I gotta get out! Where the hell did he go? Cave. Alright. Okay. I'm in here. I think I'm good. That video was taken 15 years ago. There's a written on the wall with a rock. Dear historians, if anybody finds this, tell them I'm dead.